Hello and welcome to PrintBoss Online Support. We are going to show you how to begin using the Positive Pay feature in PrintBoss. An increasing number of banking institutions offer a service called Positive Pay to provide check fraud protection. The file can be formatted as text or CSV. It lists all valid checks written on a bank account. The file is transmitted to the bank and only checks identified in this file are cashed by the bank. If the bank receives checks that are slightly different, the bank will not accept the checks. PrintBoss can generate a text or CSV file according to your bank specifications at the same time as you print the check batch. You can create your own Positive Pay file or they can be ordered from Wellspring Software. The structure of the Positive Pay file is designed to match the bank's requirements. Rarely are requirements the same for different banks. Contact Wellspring Software to provide a quote on the cost to create a Positive Pay file if you would like assistance. This video will cover the steps to set up Positive Pay using an existing Positive Pay file. By that, we mean one that already has been created to meet bank specifications. To start, the PrintBoss form must be edited to enable the Positive Pay feature. To enable a Positive Pay file, you attach it to the PrintBoss check form, and this is done by adding a copy to the form and designating it as Positive Pay file. The Positive Pay file becomes part of the PrintBoss form. The Positive Pay file can be exported to the PosPay subdirectory of PrintBoss. They will have the extension of .ppp. The resulting file can be imported into other forms. Note, .ppp files imported and exported from within the PrintBoss form editor are not the actual Positive Pay destination file sent to the bank. They are the scripts PrintBoss uses to create the destination files. Here are the setup steps. Open the PrintBoss master application. Click the Edit menu and select Form Files. Highlight the appropriate form and click the Editor button. Increase the number of copies by 1 on the Settings tab. Click on the Multi-Parts and Printers tab. Select Positive Pay as the destination for the new copy. Note, a page symbol will appear in the column to the right of the Destination Printer Device column. Click on the Source Tray drop-down menu to select your Positive Pay file. There is a sample file, Sample Bank Spec, that can be edited. For this exercise, select the Sample Bank Spec from the list. Set the printer and tray selection saved in Setting to Form. Settings affect all users. To make the Positive Pay settings available to everyone who uses the selected form. Next, click the page symbol to open the Positive Pay editor. Enter the file name and the path for the destination of this Positive Pay file on the Master tab. The file extension such as .txt or CSV needs to be included. Only use the CSV file extension when the Positive Pay file is designed to create a CSV file. The file path location is normally a network or shared folder to hold the file until it is manually transmitted to the bank according to the bank's instructions. The Browse button at the end of the file name field can be used to browse to a location and add a folder for the destination files. A name and extension must be included to save this location. The Enterprise version of PrintBoss can use macro characters in the file name to create dynamic file names for each batch of checks. Click the Information button to view a list of macros. Other variables assigned in the form may also be used when the Pre-Process Assignments option on the Special Controls tab is set to Special or Yes. For example, select Confirm Path File Name at Runtime to manually change the file name when variables are not used to create the file name. New file name generation is usually left as the default value start of batch. The other options are each new page and each new doc number. Choose Append Overwrite method. The default is overwrite existing file. The choices are overwrite existing file, append to existing file, and prompt for overwrite, append, cancel. Select the exclude records with zero amount option to admit records with $0 amounts. You do this to eliminate direct deposit checks with zero amounts from the positive pay file. File type should be set to standard for positive pay files. Max detail lines per file and auto add CF, LF to each script when you are creating a new positive pay file. Export this positive pay file to a new name when you are finished. PrintBoss saves exported files with a .ppp extension in the PosPay folder of the PrintBoss home directory. The comments field is optional and for your use. Click OK at the bottom of the Positive Pay editor to save changes and close the window. Click OK on the Editing Form window to save the changes to the Settings and Multi-Parts in Printers tab. The Positive Pay file is created when the check batch is printed to PrintBoss. The file is then distributed to your bank using their protocol. Thank you for listening and watching PrintBoss Support. We welcome questions and comments to support@printboss.com.